I had not been sleeping well. I had not been sleeping well for days, and my dark circles started looking like sunglasses. She had not been eating enough. She had not been eating properly, and now she gets hungry just by looking at food pictures. He had not been exercising much. He had not been exercising at all, but somehow his abs were still missing. They had not been studying for exams. They had not been studying for the test, and now they were hoping for a miracle. We had not been listening carefully. We had not been listening in class, and now even Google couldn't save us. I had not been driving for weeks. I had not been driving for so long that I almost forgot which pedal was the brake. She had not been texting me back. She had not been texting me back for days, so I assumed she moved to another planet. He had not been cleaning his room. He had not been cleaning his room, and now it looked like an episode of a horror movie. We had not been watching the news. We had not been watching the news, so we were completely surprised by the storm outside. They had not been talking to each other. They had not been talking for so long that they forgot why they were even angry. I had not been feeling well. I had not been feeling well all day, so I finally decided to Google my symptoms. Bad idea. She had not been working hard. She had not been working hard, but somehow she still expected a promotion. He had not been saving money. He had not been saving money, and now he was wondering why he was always broke. We had not been planning properly. We had not been planning our trip well, and we ended up missing the flight. They had not been drinking enough water. They had not been drinking enough water, and now they were as dry as a desert. I had not been paying attention. I had not been paying attention, and I accidentally agreed to something I didn't even hear. She had not been following her diet. She had not been following her diet, and now she wondered why her jeans didn't fit. He had not been practicing his speech. He had not been practicing his speech, and he ended up saying, "Good morning" at night. We had not been preparing well. We had not been preparing for the presentation, and now we were making things up as we spoke. They had not been taking their vitamins. They had not been taking their vitamins, and now they were sick every other week. I had not been answering my calls. I had not been answering my phone calls, and now my mom thought I had disappeared. She had not been watering the plants. She had not been watering her plants, and now they looked like dried French fries. He had not been helping at home. He had not been helping with the housework, and now his mom was ready to kick him out. We had not been believing in ourselves. We had not been believing in ourselves, but now we finally understood that we are capable of anything. They had not been looking for a job. They had not been looking for a job, but still expected money to magically appear. I had not been eating healthy. I had not been eating healthy, and now my doctor was giving me the look. She had not been exercising regularly. She had not been exercising regularly, but still wondered why she was out of breath after 10 steps. He had not been waking up early. He had not been waking up early, and now he was late for everything. We had not been reading books. We had not been reading enough books, and now even simple words seemed complicated. They had not been cleaning their kitchen. They had not been cleaning their kitchen, and now it looked like a science experiment. I had not been spending wisely. I had not been spending my money wisely, and now I was surviving on instant noodles. She had not been calling her family. She had not been calling her parents often, and now they thought she had been kidnapped. He had not been preparing for the interview. He had not been preparing for his job interview, and now he was sweating like crazy. We had not been laughing enough. We had not been laughing much lately, so we decided to watch a comedy show. They had not been supporting their friends. They had not been supporting their friends, but expected support in return. I had not been trusting myself. I had not been trusting my own abilities, but now I realized I could achieve anything. She had not been writing her book. She had not been writing her book, and now she had forgotten the whole plot. He had not been focusing on his goals. He had not been focusing on his goals, but now he was determined to make a change. We had not been traveling much. We had not been traveling for years, and now our passports were collecting dust. They had not been enjoying life. They had not been enjoying life, but now they decided to live every moment to the fullest.